Are you struggling to find a way to transfer your songs from Apple Music to Spotify? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Check this out. I'm moving over 200 songs using just my iPhone. First, download the SongShift app from the App Store. Once it's installed, open it and tap Get Started. Next, tap Set Up Sources and connect both your Apple Music and Spotify accounts. Sign in and allow all permissions. Now tap the plus symbol icon to create a new shift. Select Apple Music as your source. Choose the playlist you want, and then pick Spotify as the destination. SongShift will now begin the caching and matching process. This screen shows the progress, how many songs were fetched and how many matched. Just wait while it finishes. Once matching is done, review the songs and tap Confirm Matches. That's it. Your playlist starts transferring instantly. Open your Spotify app, go to your library. And boom, your Apple Music playlist is right there, ready to play. If this video saved your time, hit like, drop a comment. And don't forget to subscribe Glitch Solve for more useful tutorials like this.